Okay, so we have the balloon pump right here. And this is the balloon. You attach it. Like so. You see? You see this? Okay. So you hold on to the tip and go like this, and down, and then up. And of course you have to go back down. I don't know why there's just this, yeah. Just keep going, I guess, you know? It's really hard. It's almost there, guys. It's almost there. It might pop. I'm not really sure what's going to happen, to be honest. Cindy is holding her ears, so I'm pretty sure something's going to...
Okay.
Is something going to happen, guys? Are you sure? I'm really kind of afraid.
Make us an animal.
Or maybe... Just wait. I don't know what's going on. Tie it now? Oh! Now! We definitely tie it. Like so. And I don't know why it's not tying. I think it's because it's too tight, so you just gotta leave some out. Okay. Just go like this. Make sure you get the loop around. Make sure you tighten it. Like so. Do you just see what just happened? This just happened, guys. This is where you tie it. This is where you put it. And you put it in just like this. There's more, just gotta push all the others to the very end, you know? Like this. And you make a sword.